The easiest way to reverse park. Step 1. Drive forward until your shoulder is aligned with the center of the parking space, then turn the steering wheel one full turn to the left. Step 2. When you see point A in your right side mirror, straighten the wheel, then turn it all the way to the right. Step 3. Once your car is aligned with both sides, straighten the wheel and keep reversing until you're lined up with the cars on either side. Find a suitable parking space and maintain a 1-meter distance from it. Continue driving until the rearview mirror aligns with line A of the parking space. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue driving until the right side rearview mirror can see point B. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and reverse until the car aligns with the lines on both sides of the parking space. Straighten the steering wheel and continue reversing until your rearview mirrors align with the rearview mirrors of the vehicles on both sides.